Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today I have something new which is from Lattafa. So Lattafa is very affordable Arabian perfume brand and it doesn't have very high pricing perfumes. So let's test this out. I actually ordered some of the samples and this is basically a small perfume set, 20 ml of Eternal Oud. So this is Lattafa Eternal Oud. Okay, so let's test this out and see whether it has oud in it or you should buy it or not. The bottle is actually this, something like this. You can see the image, and this is actually sample 20 ml travel kind of perfume. And let's test this out on the strip and see how it actually smells. So here we go. Oh, it's on my side. Okay, so it is kind of like aromatic Middle Eastern perfume, very typical. It has something like very uplifting kind of, I'm not sure it is. Yes, it has a very good something uplifting, and it has some kind of like ambery uplifting, maybe some kind of light citrus. I'm not sure whether it has citrus in it, but the start is very good. Yes, it has some Omani incense kind of vibe to it. Overall, it's a very good and balanced Arabian perfume in my opinion. Okay, so let's explore a bit more. Amber is there, woodiness is very light, it's aromatic. There is something like Omani incense kind of vibe to it. They are extracted from the trees. It has some kind of direction to that. It has some scent profile that is similar to that. Very lovely perfume. So if you want something that is balanced, that is not very typical Middle Eastern perfume, then you can buy this Lattafa Eternal Oud. It has a very good scent profile. Okay, so let me see what they have written over here. Tonka, benzoin. Yes, it has some tonka and benzoin too. That is why it is kind of uplifting. So when we have benzoin, it actually has some kind of aromatic effect and cooling effect, and it says grapefruit. So that is why I said that there is some citrus in the play, but very masterfully blended. It has a very similar vibe to Omani incense, or I don't remember what we call it, but I will show the images over here. I would say citrus and amber, they are making an accord with each other, and this is what it is leading. On hand, it is a typical, a bit different, maybe a little bit soapy, but I'm not sure. But on the paper, it has a very good vibe. So amber and grapefruit, they are balancing out each other a lot. It has benzoin, vanilla, that is why it's sweet and aromatic. And I think it's a very good combination. I think one attar which is very similar to this one was from Swiss Arabia. I reviewed that. It was, I think, Oud Malaki. Yes, it was Oud Malaki. Oud Malaki has almost 70 to 80% same scent DNA. So they are very similar. I think I would prefer this one more because this is in perfume format. So it would be easier to apply and just spray it. I will put the link to buy this from Amazon. That is basically an affiliate link in my description of this video. If you want to buy from that, that's good for me. And just to support this channel and keep buying these perfumes. Now it is getting a little bit soapy. Maybe it's the vanilla, or maybe it's something else, maybe tonka, but it has now a little bit of soapy vibe. Now it is getting a bit soapy, which I don't like that much, but it is a very good and affordable kind of Arabian perfume that is a bit in a different direction. Citrus and grapefruit and amber is still in the lead over here, but it is getting a bit soapy on the side. Okay, they have listed orchid and plum and grapefruit, powdery. I didn't find it much powdery, but it is getting a bit soapy. So amber is there, benzoin is there, tonka is I think there, grapefruit is there, vanilla is there, and that is all what I am sniffing. I haven't sniffed orchid or plums. I would recommend it for women and men alike, but for very mature men and women, I wouldn't suggest this one. Okay, so for longevity and performance, now I'm going to give it, from scent profile, I'm going to give it like 7 out of 10 or maybe 6 out of 10 because it is getting soapy at the end. And for performance, I think it would perform on a good level, like maybe 4 to 5 hours, judging from this. Okay, so I haven't applied it. It's not possible for me to apply it and sleep at night and then wake up next morning and record. I mostly record my videos in bursts. So I actually if now I'm recording, I'm going to record like 4 or 5 videos at once. So it's not possible for me sometimes to spray everything on my hands or apply oils on my skin. Yes, it is a good perfume, but little bit soapy at the end. So this is my review about Eternal Oud from Lattafa. So this is my first review about Lattafa perfumes. I'm going to give it as a gift to my daughter or maybe someone younger. My daughter is in teen years, so I think that would be more helpful for her. This is kind of like fits her profile. So that is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have similar perfumes, or if you have used Eternal Oud from Lattafa, do let me know in the comments below. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.